Are you having difficulty accumulating wealth and achieving financial success? Do you find yourself repeating the same financial mistakes? If this is the case, you are not alone. Many people, particularly those who are struggling financially, hold similar ideas that can prohibit them from accumulating wealth. These misconceptions can hold you back from accomplishing your financial objectives. But this does not have to be the case. You may overcome these assumptions and lay a solid financial foundation for your future by understanding them and acting on them. Are you prepared to take charge of your financial future? Let's take a look at these unusual beliefs and how to overcome them. Misconception number 1. Money is a bad thing. Some people link riches with greed and believe that accumulating wealth is wrong. This mindset can keep individuals from making wise financial decisions and taking the required actions to accumulate wealth. Nonetheless, it is critical to remember that money is not inherently evil. Money is simply a tool that can be utilized for good or ill. It is your responsibility to utilize it wisely and for the good of yourself and others. Alter your attitude about money. Instead of identifying riches with greed, consider how you may use your fortune to improve your life and the lives of others. Create a list of ways you may use your wealth to help others, such as donating to charities or investing in companies that share your values. Misconception number 2. Money is just for the fortunate. Some people assume that riches is just for the fortunate few and that they will never be financially successful. This notion might lead to a lack of drive and effort when it comes to accumulating wealth. Yet, with hard work, devotion, and wise financial judgments, anyone may attain financial success. Have faith in yourself and your potential to succeed financially. Establish attainable financial objectives and work toward them on a regular basis. Begin by making a budget and keeping track of your expenses. Consider taking on a side job or obtaining a raise at work to minimize your expenses while increasing your income. Misconception number 3. Debt is normal. Some people believe that carrying debt is a normal part of life and that it is acceptable to live beyond their means. This thinking can lead to overspending and debt accumulation, making it harder to develop wealth over time. Alter your debt mindset. Realize that having debt can be a burden that inhibits you from reaching financial success. Pay off your debts and live within your means. Make a debt repayment plan by listing your bills in order of highest to lowest interest rate. Pay off the loan with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on the others. Misconception number 4. Investing is too dangerous. Some people avoid investing because they fear it is excessively hazardous and they will lose their entire investment. This perspective may hinder individuals from capitalizing on the long-term growth opportunities that investment can provide. Recognize that investment is risky, but it also has the potential for long-term growth. Learn about investing and begin small. Create a brokerage account and begin with a low-risk investment option, such as a mutual fund or index fund. Misconception number 5. It's all about luck. Some people feel that success is solely dependent on chance and that hard work does not always pay off. This thinking can keep individuals from taking the required steps to accumulate wealth and achieve financial success. Recognize that success is a result of hard effort, devotion, and wise financial decisions. Concentrate on taking action toward your financial objectives. Establish realistic financial objectives and develop a plan to accomplish them. Appreciate your minor victories along the road to stay motivated. Misconception number 6. Saving money is pointless. Some people believe that saving money is worthless since they will never amass enough to make a significant difference. This perspective can impede individuals from establishing a sound financial foundation and preparing for long-term success. When it comes to accumulating wealth, Every penny counts. Modest savings can mount up over time and have a significant impact on your financial future. Begin by developing a budget and identifying places where you may minimize costs. Set aside a percentage of your monthly salary for savings and set up recurring transfers to a savings account. Misconception number 7. We don't deserve wealth. Some people believe that they do not deserve money and that they are not capable of earning it. This perspective can make it difficult for them to set lofty financial objectives and take the required efforts to accomplish them. Alter your perspective about wealth and your potential to attain financial success. Believe in your abilities to make sound financial decisions. Establish aggressive financial objectives and devise a plan to accomplish them. Every day, take little steps toward your goals and celebrate your progress. Finally, these unusual views can prohibit people from accumulating wealth and achieving financial success. You may overcome these assumptions and lay a solid financial foundation for your future by altering your thinking and taking action toward your financial goals. Remember to have faith in yourself and your potential to succeed financially. Congrats on taking the first step in laying a strong financial foundation for your future. Understanding and overcoming these unusual mindsets will put you on the road to financial success. Remember that wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. Learning from your failures takes time, persistence, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Yet, with the correct mindset and action plan, you may reach your financial objectives and live the life you've always desired. Therefore, don't let these unusual views keep you from moving forward. Take action today to begin constructing your financial future. You've earned it. We hope you found this video to be useful and inspiring. Remember that you have the ability to shape your financial future. Go out there and make it happen. Thank you for watching.